UltraClean Technology is a public company headquartered in California in the San Francisco Bay Area. There are 2 major manufacturing sites in that area. We also have 1 site in Oregon and 1 site in Austin, as well as 2 more in Shanghai in China. UltraClean Technology makes subsystems for original equipment manufacturers primarily in the semiconductor area, but also in the medical world, solar industry, and flat panel business. The revenue of the company is around $300 million a year, and we have about 900 employees worldwide. We had been using a legacy system, Man specifically, for close to 15 years, and we were basically running out of runway and had to change to a more modern system. In addition, specifically, we needed a system that would allow us to be SOX compliant in the most possible efficient way, because we are a public company, as well as the ability to have an integrated system in the sense that we wanted to run our entire operations on 1 system. What brought us to Visual is a search of available systems, as well as we happened to acquire a company that was running an earlier version of Visual. And we also looked at SAP and Oracle. We concluded that we would be able to run our business and meet our requirements using Visual. We also concluded that it would be a better value proposition than other more complex or more expensive systems. We have a little less than 300 concurrent licenses that cover several sites in the US and in China. There was an evolution in how users perceived the systems and how they reacted to it after the implementation. The first few weeks and months were spent really getting used to the details, learning things that they had not learned during the implementation, fixing some issues. But after several months, 2 things happened. Number 1, the entire company absolutely believed into the data integrity in the system. And number 2, people became convinced that if indeed they ran into an issue, then my team would be able to efficiently address it and help them. One important goal we had for this implementation was to be able to run our business from cradle to grave using 1 single system. We have been able to do that as we were planning to. Specifically, we use Visual from sales order entry all the way to shipping, servicing, and financial results. Primary challenges facing us in this industry are the ability to meet our customers' expectations in terms of quality, cost, delivery, and meeting their high rate of engineering changes. It is important to us that our systems are as flexible as possible. To that respect, we are very excited by the transition of Infor to the service-oriented architecture as the basis for future Visual products. We view this as adding flexibility in terms of data interchange between the various modules, as well as providing us with a data warehouse linked in real time to our Visual system that gives us the ability to have real-time data analysis. I am Michel Bertin. I am the Senior Director for Information Technology and Systems in UltraClean Technology. We use Infor VISUAL ERP, and we have seen significant efficiency gains in the year that we have been running it on several sites across our operations.